Hey everyone, we've reached the end of our anti-fraud for WooCommerce journey. Give yourself a huge pat on the back. You're now equipped to fight fraud like a digital ninja. We've covered a lot of ground. From understanding those sneaky little security codes, your CVV and AVS, to harnessing the power of 3D Secure and exploring some seriously powerful fraud screening tools. You're no longer a fraud newbie. You're a fraud-fighting pro. Remember, fraudsters are constantly evolving, so staying updated is key. Think of it like a video game. They level up, you level up. Keep exploring new tools and strategies to keep your WooCommerce store safe and sound. And honestly, wouldn't you rather spend your time celebrating legitimate sales than chasing down fraudulent ones? I know I would. So go forth, implement what you've learned, and keep those fraudulent orders at bay. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce wisdom. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital.